lot going on here. I'm going to wash it because some of this stuff where it comes in contact with the body, that's where it starts to hurt the snake. Some of this netting may have been on here for days at this point, and it probably doesn't feel good. So if this snake is going to thrash around and try to escape, it's going to be sometime right in here. I'm just cutting off as much of the stuff as I can to give myself working space. Oh, clean this stuff up later. That is a separate issue. Fewer things to tangle, safer situation for me. Okay, I'm going to go for right here. These scissors are great because I can get in right next to the skin. Let's see if there's any wounds here on this snake. So I have to make sure the scissors don't get stuck in here. I did have that happen one time where I was using scissors and my fingers got caught in the scissors, and the scissors got caught in the netting. So when the snake started to free itself, I wasn't stuck, but it definitely wasn't as freed up as I wanted to be in that situation. It's possible you might see a little bit of blood when I'm doing this. That's okay. That's not from the scissors. It's from some of the stuff cutting. Any wounds here are going to be superficial. Put that crap on the floor. I'm going to push, and okay, it looks like that's all the netting. Is that it? That's all of it. Okay,